Set your Instant Pot to saute. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees. We're going to crisp up some egg roll wraps. You'll cut them into strips. And then brush them with oil. I used olive oil. You're going to bake these until bubbly and brown, but watch them carefully because they go brown super fast. You'll need 1 pound of ground pork or any other meat that you would like. You're going to season it with 1 tablespoon garlic powder, 1 tablespoon ground ginger. You'll also need 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, half a teaspoon salt and pepper. I did double this recipe. When your meat is brown, turn the Instant Pot off and then add 1/2 cup of bone broth. Then add a bag of coleslaw mix on top, but do not stir. Place the lid back on the Instant Pot, turn the knob to the sealing position, and set the Instant Pot on manual high pressure for 0 minutes. And yeah, I just learned that 0 minutes is totally a thing. When the timer is up, perform a quick release, give it a quick stir, and spoon it into the bowls and enjoy. So this was good, but it needed something else. It needed like a little kick. So I added some sweet red chili sauce to it. Totally made a difference. All right, thank you. That's what I go through every time I film. Something always happens.